Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 30. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, black color, blue color, yellow ochre color, red color, and green color. Kids, now you draw one and use yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use yellow ochre color. 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use red color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. It's now you draw 26. The numbers of 26 and use green color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and lastly draw 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.